How to request a Bolt ride. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can request a Bolt ride. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Bolt ride in your device and make sure that you're logged in. So your pickup location will be automatically set using your GPS, but if you want to adjust it, what you have to do is tap on the where to section. Now you have to tap on your pickup location and then you could also type it manually. Then head over to your destination, enter your destination. Then you have to wait for a while. Now you have options that you can choose from. You can choose your ride type like priority or Bolt. Select your payment method. If you want to add another payment method, you could also do that. Tap on add payment method and add your card as well. Once you select your ride type, all you have to do is check the fare estimated and the driver time, and whenever you are ready, tap on confirm or request. Now you'll get matched with a nearby driver. You can track them live and also be ready when they arrive. So that's it. That's how you can request your Bolt ride, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.